we simply describe what we need, and Sidekick will get it done. So instead of clicking through menus to create our next board, we're just going to tell Sidekick what we want. Here's what we want to build. We need another board to manage our future video pipeline, where we take videos from idea to fully published. On our team, new video ideas can come up at any time, and not every idea we research necessarily ends up getting made. So the pipeline is where video ideas can be viewed by everyone, get developed and prioritized, and either move forward or eventually get archived. For every video that continues to move forward, we want to track who's making it, when it's due, and things like that. So those are the inputs we'll give Sidekick. I'll open Sidekick and describe the board that we need, and I'll describe it in the same way I would explain it to a team member. Create a board called Video Pipeline to manage our upcoming YouTube videos, where each item is one video, and the video title is the first column. When you're happy with your starting prompt, click here to send. Then Sidekick will start thinking. Depending on your prompt, you can review the proposal, and you can give feedback depending on what you see. This looks good, so I'll send that message. Then Sidekick will start to implement what we've planned. Sidekick will let you know when your request is ready, and it will even suggest other actions that you can take. In my case, that's a helpful automation, or potentially other additional columns. For now, let's just review what was made. I'm going to close my chat with Emily so we can better see. I'll remove this group that we don't need. And then we can review what Sidekick created. There are a few things that jump out to me that I'd like to fix. I'd like the columns reordered, and this item column, I generally want to be the video title. If I open the values under revenue potential, we can see that our values have been added, but we don't need all of these for these columns. And then the obvious one is we have some placeholder data for the actual videos. So we're pretty close, but to make some changes, let's open Sidekick back up. And we'll do so by simply messaging our new requirements. I've let Sidekick know we have a few changes to make, including removing the duplicate item column in favor of making it the title, reordering the columns to how I would like to see them, and then cleaning up the label values, including removing the extra values and setting the colors back to the default. Let's send this message and see how it does. Sidekick will do some thinking, and then it will implement our changes. Once Sidekick has finished, you can review the summary of changes. If there's anything left over that Monday can't quite do technically, you'll get an instruction of how to do it yourself. And finally, to change out the placeholder data, we can even have Sidekick do that in the same conversation. For the video pipeline board, I've exported our current set of videos from another platform, and I'll just attach that here. Once my sheet is attached, I'll send this final message. I'll review this, close Sidekick, and then make the final tweaks to my board's order. Before we move on, there's one more piece of AI that lives right inside your boards, and those are AI columns. An AI column runs one small AI task on every row. On our pipeline board, I'll hover here and add a new column, and then I'll click More Columns. This opens the column center, and on the left, there's a whole AI-powered category. There are options to summarize, translate, extract information from files, and more. For our board, I'll choose Assign Labels, and I'll click Add to Board. You can rename your column by clicking the label here. My instruction is simple. Read the video title, which in this case is title name, and tag each video as a tutorial, review, or comparison. Simply click the labels here to edit them. Then down below, add your instructions, and once you add your instructions, click Save and Apply. AI will autofill this new column, and just like that, every video on the board is tagged, and every new idea we add will be tagged automatically. If you've only been following along so far, and you're now ready to start using the AI workspace at Monday.com, make sure you click the first link in the video description, and that will get you the best deal we have available for Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.